Flavor Station.
Welcome back, Flavor Chasers. First thing you're going to need, 250 grams of flour. If it is your first time on the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. You're going to need some yeast, 250 grams of strong white flour or all-purpose plain flour, normal. We're only going to use half of this because it's half a recipe. For a little loaf, that's 3.5 grams of a 7-gram sachet. Click the like button, baby. We're on a mission here. We're gonna make some bread. Tasty tomato and garlic focaccia. We're not messing about anymore. Oh my days. Make a well in the middle. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Filippo Berio. Now, room temperature or warm water. This will kick off the yeast. It will make the yeast activate instantly. And just add your water bit by bit until it's tacky. Rumba. Yeah, man, just like that. Give a mixer, blender. Yeah, boy, till it's like that. Little bit tacky, see it there? But we're gonna use more flour. Flour your side, then we're just gonna roll and knead, fold and knead. It's a bit of a mad thing. It's a bit laborious. You gotta do this for a good 10 minutes. Nice. Now, once you're kneaded, you're gonna prove it. Proving with fast-acting yeast, couple hours. You're gonna just keep adding your flour, see it till it's not tacky, it's stretchable, workable, strong as ball. Yeah, man, not too tacky. Into a ball, nice even ball, into a container, cling film the ting, no messing. Follow on Instagram at @flavor_station and wipe down your dirty pig. Wipe it. Yeah, idiot boy. Dry up, buff up. Now, next thing, we're going to make the topping for the focaccia. Olive oil, Filippo Berio, of course, about 6 tablespoons. Tomato puree. We got some flaked sea salt there. Spicy, baby. Garlic, 3 cloves, chopped small. Bang them in there. Now, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Use brown sugar, white sugar, it no matter. Mixed herbs, that's thyme, oregano in there. We've got some basil, parsley in there. Mixer. This will get drizzled over before we cook the focaccia. But we gotta wait a long time before the focaccia ready, you see it? Yeah, boy. Now that is what I'm talking about, baby. Now, get yourself a baking tray, a deep one, and just Filippo Berio, the outside, olive oil, sunflower oil, it's up to you. Make yourself a cuppa, wait for your bread.
2 hours later.
Now, once it's been 2 hours, and it's proved and doubled in size, see it there? I had it on a nice warm windowsill, in my living room. It was nice and warm. Put it in an airing cupboard if you've got it. We're just gonna stretch this out, kind of like a big thick pizza, and then you just stretch it out to the corners. Every time it retracts back, put it back again, yeah? And just do that. Try not to knock too much air out, because you want nice big fluffy bread. Fluffy bread is the best bread. Now once that's like that, we're gonna prove it again. Should we say half an hour?
A few moments later.
Half an hour later, there we go. See how she's puffed up again? We're going to poke some holes in. Then we're going to draw for the dressing, oily loveliness. See it there? Oh, yeah, baby. Then you just drizzle all that good over. Make love to the bread. Treat it nice, and it will treat you nice. This is a lovely treat for a starter. With some olives and balsamic and olive oil. Oh, trust me. Just spread that over. Make sure them pockets are all full up with tomatoey, garlicky, herby goodness. Into the oven, 180 for half an hour. See it there? See how it's starting to bubble up? Oh, yes. She rises, Lord Vader. Half hour later, just before that garlic burn. See it there? It's fluffy, but the top is crunchy and just soft. Now, just give that a wobble. It should come out very easily, because of the olive oil in the bread and olive oil on the tray. Yeah, see it there? That's still warm as well. So wait 10 minutes if you can't hack the heat, blood. I'm just going to slice it up. 8 pieces, I reckon, straight down the middle. In the middle. Lovely stuff, man. Look, let the knife do the work. Let me look at her. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
We're up in the levels. Now, just in half again. That side. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, everybody. 3,000 subscribers. We've got something special. You will not guess what it is. You won't get your breath when you see it. It's mad. So it's a big thank you to everybody who's just day ones, man, from the hash browns video last March, April time. Everyone, Flavor Chase has been riding for, man. So yeah, man, 3K subs. I'll be so proud. Look at that bread. Oh my days. You can put mozzarella on this as well if you like. Rosemary, mozzarella. I'm going to put some basil on to garnish. Just to make it look a bit nice, you know. Make it look a bit special. And believe me when I tell you, that salt and that garlic and that tomato all on that bread. Oh my days. Look at the finished product, blood. Look how soft she is. Enjoy, hot or cold. Bang some cheese on it. Bang some cheese in. Put cheese in it. Do what you want. The limits are endless. There's no limits at all. No limits to this. Focaccia, baby. Thanks for watching. Look at her. Oh, she's soft. Now, don't forget, subscribe, Flavor Chasers. Watch a video, watch a playlist. Follow on Insta, Facebook, Twitter. You know the score. Love you. Bye.